Dollar CAD Daily Forecast, May 22nd, FXEmpire.com. The dollar Canadian pair fell on the session for Monday as the action was very weak. The pair has recently broken to the upside, and the 101 level now should be supportive all the way down to the parity area. Oil markets have been getting beat up lately, and this, of course, weighs upon the Canadian dollar. Recent move in the market has been a bit strong, and it only makes sense that the pair would pull back. As the oil markets fell, and this is the light sweet crude we talk of, below the 92 level on Friday and then bounced on Monday, it makes sense that the US CAD pair would behave the way it did. The loonie is going to be heavily influenced by the oil markets, and the commodity certainly looks vulnerable on the long-term charts. With this in mind, we are still bearish overall in the oil markets, as well as the Canadian dollar, as risk will continue to come off from time to time. Markets did well overall Monday, and this was all part of a bounce for risk assets in general. Bearish behavior of the markets for May has been strong, and we don't think that the negativity that we've seen on a risk appetite perspective is anywhere near being done. This sets up nicely for a buy in this pair if this thesis becomes true. We think that the 101 level will become supportive mainly because many traders have watched this move and not participated. If there is bad economic news to accomplish or to accompany a move down to 101, that would make it even more tough for the sellers to get through. The selling of this pair is almost impossible and wouldn't be considered until we were sub parity, as that would bring us back to the parity 98 consolidation area, which would make us aggressively short this pair with a target just above 98. At that point in time, though, we think that consolidation would continue with a downward bias and would look for weak candles to sell beyond that. Of course, that's a long way into the future if that happens, and as such, we are currently fixated on the idea of buying somewhere around 101.